Hi everyone, this is Abidemi, and in this short demo, I will show you our content repurposing workflow that we built for a marketing agency. This automation takes a long or short form article and repurposes into a main draft for blogs and a LinkedIn draft, and instantly shares them with the team while logging everything for tracking. So here's my Google Drive model. It's purchased for content. So when I drop a content in the Google Drive, it gets the content, it creates a JSON format, and passes it to Cohere. Cohere is our AI text generator. We're using Cohere for this demo. So, and once that is done, it breaks it into a main draft or a LinkedIn draft. So at the same time, we get an email notification for the main draft and also an email notification for the LinkedIn draft, and my team gets a Slack notification, and everything is being sent to the Google sheet for login. So I'll run this now, and when this is done, I will show you the mail, the Google sheet, the Google Drive. So it's running. Okay, so it's done. So let's go to our mail. So as you can see, here we proposed main draft. This is a new document I dropped previously before starting the demo. I dropped it. Okay, so the title is Project Managers to Learn It to be Tax Chasers. So if I click on this link here, I can view the document. So this is it. This is the main draft that it created. So if I go back to my mail, I can see the LinkedIn draft it created. So when I click on the link, I see the LinkedIn draft. So this is it. This is the LinkedIn draft. So if I go back to my Google Drive, let me show you the main okay, so this is the main document. So I just dropped this few texts. So it was this few text it's used to create that main draft and the LinkedIn draft. So if I should go to my Slack, this is my Slack channel. Once I go to Slack, okay, so in our channel, we already have content draft, and this content draft, this is where the main draft drops. So once I scroll down, okay, so my time now is 11:29. So as you can see, the project manager's main draft dropped in the content draft. Okay, so it says main repurposed draft is ready. So if I go to my LinkedIn draft, I will also see that the project manager document dropped there also. So as you can see, the LinkedIn repurposed draft is ready for the project manager's document. So let me go to Google Sheet so you can see the log of, okay? So as you can see here, this is it. The Google Sheet has the title, the source doc ID, the draft type, whether it's a main draft or a LinkedIn draft. Also has the draft link, the created time and date, and the status of the draft if it has been created. So that's it about this automation. With this automation, agencies are able to save hours of content for proposing every month and improve collaboration and keep everything organized in one place. Thanks for watching and bye.